I'm ATHIRAH NAJWA binti KAMURAZAMAN.
My name is FARZANA binti FAUZI.
And my name is Atiqah binti Zakaria.
Today we had the honor of interviewing two engineers regarding the code of conduct. Here is our first engineer. Can you introduce yourself, your name, company, and your position?
Hi, my name is Muhammad Kamal Arif bin Muhammad Rizwan, as a site engineer at AIMA Construction.
For the first question, how do the rules help graduate engineer make sure their professional certification and statement are honest and trustworthy?
Well, the rules for professional certification and statement helps graduate engineer maintain honesty and trustworthiness by setting clear guidelines and standards. These rules ensure that engineers have the necessary qualification and skill to practice their profession. By following this rule, graduate engineer can demonstrate their competence and commitment to upholding the highest professional standard.
Okay, for the second question, what might happen if a graduate engineer lied about their qualification?
What might happen if a graduate engineer lies about the qualification? If a graduate engineer lies about their qualification, it can have a serious consequence. Firstly, it undermines the trust and confidence that clients and employers have in the engineer's abilities. This can lead to damage to their professional reputation and potential loss of a job opportunity. It's always better to be honest about qualification and let your skill and experience speak for themselves.
For the third one, what the job of a graduate engineer is making sure the engineer works meets the requirement standards.
As a graduate engineer, your job is to ensure that engineering work meets the required standard by applying your knowledge and skills. You will be responsible for designing, analyzing, and implementing engineering solutions while refer to industry codes, regulation, and best practice. You will conduct thorough research, perform calculation, and use appropriate tools and technologies to ensure the quality and safety of the work doing good. You will also collaborate with other team members, communicate effectively, and perform regular inspection and tests to verify compliance with standard. Your attention to detail and commitment to excellence will play a vital role in delivering engineering projects that meet the required standard.
How does the code of conduct encourage graduate engineers to be truthful and accountable?
Interesting question. The code of conduct encourages graduate engineers to be truthful and accountable by setting clear expectations of their behavior and professional ethics. It emphasizes the importance of honesty, integrity, and transparency in all aspects of their work. By refer to the code of conduct, engineers are encouraged to provide accurate information and also disclose conflicts of interest and to take responsibility of all their actions. The code itself promotes a culture of accountability by holding engineers responsible for upholding professional standards and taking ownership of their work. It encourages them to be truthful in their representation, whether it is about their qualification, project progress, or any other aspect of their professional responsibilities. Overall, the Code of Conduct serves as a guide of graduate engineers, reminding them of their ethical obligation and the importance of being truthful and accountable in their professional practice. It helps maintain trust, reliability, and credibility within the engineer's profession.
is it important for a graduate engineer to reveal situation when they're facing discrimination, and what should they do in such situation?
It is important for a graduate engineer to reveal situation when they are facing discrimination because it helps raise awareness and also address the issue. By speaking up, they can giving a spotlight on unfair treatment and create opportunities for change within their workplace or industry. It also allows others to provide support and take necessary action to rectify this situation.
Can you introduce yourself, your name, your company, and your position?
Okay, thank you. Firstly, my name is Khairul Azli bin Azlan, and I'm currently working in University Technical Malaysia Melaka under Fakulti Teknologi dan Kejuruteraan Mekanikal. Okay, currently I'm working as lecturer. Before this, I have before this I work as research officer and also as engineer about 7 years in industry in various company. Okay.
Okay. What rules do engineering technologies follow to honestly represent their qualification, any previous work and responsibilities?
Okay, firstly, we need to be honest. Okay, we need to don't lie your qualification, don't lie your experience, because finally you will have a large responsibility as engineer. So you need to follow all the requirements because if you lie, it may affect your credibility and trust, which is very important in not only in engineering sector but in all sector. Okay, trust is hard to gain but easy to lose. Okay.
Okay, for the next question, what is crucial of engineering technologies to double check fact before signing or endorsing any document?
Okay, firstly, like I said just now, it is important because the responsibility is on you. So you need to make sure all the things that you need to sign is everything is follows specification. Need to be monitored regularly, and then you need to ensure that all of the documents follow the regulation, the legal issues, and this is important to maintain the quality of the work done. Okay. Okay. I think that's all.
Okay, the next question is when should an engineer technology respond to communication from the boards or relevant authorities regarding their professional service?
Okay, we need to give good response, or we need to give high commitment to the board, okay, so that we can report to them whatever that we have done. So we need to show some commitment to the board, because the board is the body that is responsible to monitor engineering technologies. So they have the legal rights. Okay.
What must engineering technologies do if they're facing legal issues or become bankrupt?
Okay, if they face a legal issue, they need to firstly report the situation to the board, so that they can take any required actions. So you need to be honest, like I said. Okay. So this is to maintain the transparency to the board and to our client as well.
Why essential for an engineering technologies to oversee or inspect work before they certify it?
Okay. First of all, it's your responsibility to make sure everything is in good condition, and you must also aware that the responsibility is also subjected to the legal requirement, and you might face legal action if you just certify anything that you don't really check. Okay, so you need to ensure that everything is in good condition, follow specification, and customer requirement also. This is also important to maintain the trust of the customer towards your service.
Thank you to both engineers for lending their time for this interview.